Welcome back, recruits. I'm Chris Nance with the Northern California Ghostbusters, and today we've got a fun little treat for everybody. We're going to be unboxing the Mack's Factory aluminum wand. Let's get going. Important to note, since Greg bought this wand, Aaron of Mack's Factory has released a all-in-one kit for the wand where you get everything all at once for like $1,600. That is not what Greg got. Greg kind of picked everything out piecemeal, which is how he was selling those wands.
You gave me a list.
Yeah, I gave Greg a list. Aaron also was very kind and gave Greg a little bit of a discount on everything. So big shout out to Aaron of Mack's Factory. We really appreciate your work, and we definitely appreciate a discount.
Doing God's work over there.
When Greg did get to buying his heat sink for his wand, Mack was actually completely sold out. So he managed to find somebody on one of the Facebook groups, Jeff? Hefe?
Yeah,
but Jeff hooked him up with, sold him a spare heat sink that he had.
Never underestimate the Facebook groups. If you need parts, sometimes they have extra, or they don't use them, or they just don't have time to do it, so they sell them.
Yeah. Quite often, in fact, it'll turn out like somebody will start getting all the parts and then kind of come to the conclusion that they don't have the time to do it themselves.
Also sold it to me at what he paid for it, so it's
at cost.
Cool. Yeah, a lot of this community doesn't really upcharge stuff usually, so.
Yeah. Well, I think, a big part of it is like availability and access can be so limited, and everybody's pretty aware of that. So like there's not too many people who try to enrich themselves off of that, except for Video Bob. So here we go. There is the heat sink. That's definitely kind of an OG heat sink. So that is accurate to the 84 wand.
Look at his, talk about his packaging, because I don't think people realize, not even me, this is the first time I've seen his stuff brand new outside of stickers.
Yeah, so yeah, there's the packaging. He does all of this nice packaging, includes an Allen key as well as all the hardware you need. And then because these are officially licensed parts from Sony, he includes these little
serial numbers?
Serial number card, or card stickers things. So if you're buying all of your parts from Mack, you can kind of eventually put together all of the stickers.
It's a flex. It's a total flex.
It's a flex, yeah. Get your shipping information out of the way real quick. And
you don't want to dox me?
I mean, not intentionally.
Oh wow, okay. What is this? And what are we looking at?
So that's the latch and release setup for your actual pop mechanism. There's your lever, and then the actual latch that screws onto it, and then the little side knob that goes on the outside. Your banjos.
Oh, beautiful, look at that, wow.
Oh, he does wonderful work, really. Here's your full pop mechanism. Oh, does he include a drill bit with it? Oh, wow, that's cool. There is the rear cylinder and front cylinder and trigger tip, the top knob. I like Mack's top knobs because he's actually got them engraved.
The 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. One of the side knobs, your front knob.
That's a lot of knobs.
A whole lot of knobs. There's your whole front handle assembly. And then, important to note, what you'll notice specifically is this is already blacked for us. So this is already anodized black. If you buy directly from Mack, he does have a non-anodized version that's just the raw aluminum. You paint it yourself. Somewhat recently, he started, about a year ago now, he started selling his wands through GB Fans as well. And the wands that you get from GB Fans are the Mack's wands. They're just the non-anodized version.
Outside of that, it's all custom, right? You have to get cut. Freaky Geeky, I think, makes some, right? CPU might make some. 64 might make some, but they're all custom.
Your S hook, so the actual hook that goes on the bottom. V hook. There's your wand rail.
Oh, nice.
And it does come with its labels. And there's the rail discs. So the little disc details that go on the bottom of the rail. Trigger box. So you'll usually see this referred to as like the ITTB, which is the instrument trigger bar. So there's the wand body.
That's the big piece, yeah. One of
Yeah.
his biggest pieces.
And you can see he does include like the actual, there's the bottom plate as well as all the hardware for it and everything. Except for like a clipboard and the hat lights, and the electronics themselves, that's pretty much the entire wand right there.
Grips.
Grips.
But
the
we're
other
gonna
thing.
get that from Dragon. I'm gonna order this from Dragon.
You think? Have you talked to him about it yet?
I will. Dragon, I'm talking to you about it right now, right this second. Because this stuff takes so long, and we're in the middle of still painting the pack, and it's raining, so we can't. This stuff takes so long. I don't want to. We usually wait until we're ready to do it before we order parts. But this specifically, when I ordered these, like this was the part I was waiting on. That's what I was asking for Mack for, and that's when he reached out to me and sent it early. So we've been sitting on this stuff for months.
Yeah.
It's just how it works.
Been hanging out for a little while. Eventually, what we'll be showing you guys next after this unboxing, as far as the wand goes, is we'll actually be showing you how to fully assemble the Mack's Factory wand with your pop mechanism.
Is that hard to do? Or is it relatively simple?
For the most part, it kind of just goes together. As long as you know what parts go where, it's going to be pretty easy to put it together. And that is all of the parts for your wand from Mack's Factory. Big shout out to Aaron at Mack's Factory. We love working with you. We're looking forward to working with you some more in the future. If you are interested in getting your own aluminum wand from Mack's Factory, link will be in the description below. He has very limited runs of parts availability. I would recommend doing what Greg did. Go ahead and get on the Facebook groups. Keep an eye on there. Just hunt around. A lot of the time folks will start buying the kits and realize either they don't have the time or energy to do it themselves, or they end up with 2 of something or whatever. So definitely keep an eye on the Facebook groups. It's a great place to find the parts that you need. And we'll have some links for those in the description below as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, call Greg in the middle of the night, join our Discord. Link to that will be in the description below as well. We love to see your guys' proton packs and your projects. If you need help or you just want to show off the work that you've done, please join us there. Until next time, I'm Chris Nance with the Northern California Ghostbusters, and we'll see you later, recruits.
I had no idea it'd be so much I won't pay it.